You know, it's no secret that people have been asking for larger options on the channel, and with that in mind, I'm excited to show you the Stratford Place from Clayton. This is a 1,980 square foot manufactured home, and it's got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. They got this thing tricked out with staging. They've done it up real nice, so I'm excited to get inside and show you all around. Before I do that, I want to take a quick cruise around the outside, as usual, to show you some of the features they've got on the exterior. Let's do it. I'm going to start this little walkabout at this side of the home because it's tough to argue that that covered porch isn't one of the top features on this home. Check that out. However, the covered section on the entrance pops as well. Look at this. They've got a chandelier in there. I don't mind that one bit. They've done a couple things on the front of this home to kind of make it pop, give it a little pizzazz, if you will. You can see they've got the shutters on the windows. I'm not going to go all the way around because there's simply too much stuff over there. They've got a couple different types of siding. They've got the wood in the dormer as well as the wood on the columns right here. All in all, like look from right here. It's got that nice rancher look. Let's take a peek inside, see what they got going on. Spoiler alert. Welcome inside the Stratford Place. Make yourself comfortable, stay well. I know I'm going to. If you're sitting there thinking, wow, that appears to be a large living room, you're absolutely right. This is a gigantic couch and it's not even eating all of the space that it could. So what we're dealing with here is over a 17-foot wide living room. That takes you to that partial wall right there. Then there's a 12-foot dining room. So if you take the wall out of the equation, what we're left with is pretty much a 29-foot open space by about 12 this way. So they're not messing around with this open floor plan. Across from me, we've got the kitchen. Before I move over into the kitchen, I should point out this electric fireplace because I think it looks pretty cool. Now, in the kitchen, they've got something that I haven't seen before, and I think it's a smart fridge. It may not be on anymore. Oh, look at this. I was gonna say people have left hours ago, so I don't know that it's on, but it heard me talking and turned on. I have no idea how to use this. Wi-Fi not available. There's Alexa there. Connect to Google Photos. I don't know much about this, but it does look pretty fancy, so you can play photos on your fridge. I wonder if you can play YouTube videos. That'd be cool. Anyway, that's a fridge. At the end of the day, it's still just a fridge. The middle of the kitchen, they've got this island right here. I thought the cabinets were black, but now that I'm getting a closer look, I'm settling on dark brown. If you disagree, let me know. Wouldn't be the first time I was wrong on colors. Behind me, we've got the full backsplash of white tile, and then they've got the stove with the vent up above right here. This is kind of cool. They've got these 2 banks of cabinets, I guess you would call them. So there's 6 cabinets there in the dark brown and another 6 over there. So white around the outside, aside from those 2 banks, and then the island is in the dark brown as well. I'll show this side. Basically, we've got the bank of 4 drawers. We've got cabinet under the sink. Let me check the ends to see nothing on this side. They got a couple outlets there. Down here, same thing. They just got an outlet. Easily enough room for 3 chairs, which is kind of the standard. Definitely no shortage of storage in the Stratford Plus. So over here, the last thing I want to mention in the kitchen, they've got these glass door cabinets. So this is kind of like a coffee bar in between here. I don't think I've seen the glass door in any other home at this show, but don't quote me on that, all right? So if I head over this direction, you know what? I'm gonna skip that and go down here. Nice to get on the carpet and get away from that squeak for a couple minutes. Main bedroom, we have got windows behind the camera. We've got the ensuite back here with the barn door. And then across from the bed over here, we have got the walk-in closet, which goes all the way to the outside wall. So quite deep. Let's go into the ensuite. So this is kind of cool. They've got this deep soaker tub here, but they put it at an angle in the corner there, which I don't think is normal. Maybe that's the standard, but it kind of jumped out at me as not being something that I see often. So Yeah, normally it would just be against that wall. That is not normal, but it does look kind of cool. Over here, we've got this glass shower with the tile on the other side. I like that. I like the black hardware. Very popular at this show this year. Continues over here, got the black faucets. This has been pretty standard through all the modulars, all the manufactured homes, is to have the 2 doors on the bottom, the bank of drawers in the middle, between the 2 sinks on the vanity, and then the towel cabinet over here, somewhere in the bathroom. So it's been very popular at the show, and I can see why. You've got a spot for your toothpaste, you've got another spot for your floss, you could put your mouthwash there, and all of your dental hygiene needs can be handled within this bank of 4 drawers. Over here, we've got the toilet, and that pretty much wraps up the ensuite. Let's head the other direction. We'll check out the dining room and everything else they got going on at that side. As you pass the kitchen, heading towards bedrooms 2 and 3, the dining room is on the left-hand side, my right. And if we look over on this wall, yeah, that is wallpaper. Definitely a little extra something going on here in the dining room. Let's continue down into the bedrooms. You know what? I changed my mind. Let's check out this covered deck. What I like about this is it's pretty much the same size as the dining room, and you could recreate that space out here, and then you've got the choice of eating inside or outside, depending on the weather. Let's go look. This has definitely been the big showstopper from Clayton. They've got it parked right up here at the corner of their exhibit. And you can see why. It does look great up here on the corner and definitely grabs attention as people walk by Claytonville, draws them right on in. Let's check out the bathroom. So in the second bathroom of the Stratford Place, they've got all the standards. I think the only thing that's left to do now is to do the full walkthrough of the home so you can get a sense of the feel and the layout. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. All right, let's check out the Stratford Place from Clayton. I think there is a chance that I said Stratton Plus at some point during the video, and if I did, just disregard. So you enter into the living room, there's that electric fireplace. Again, this is an over 17-foot wide living room, and let me pan around to show you. There's the half wall, and then you've got another 12 feet of dining room, which leads you over to the covered deck. Let's go check out this kitchen. So from this angle, you can see the spot for the 3 bar stools. There's the smart fridge. Hello, smart fridge. Hello, smart fridge. See, I don't know how to do it. Whatever. Oh, it ended up turning on. Heading down this side, you've got the back door there, and one place that I didn't look at, and I know people will be asking about it, is the laundry room. So side-by-side washer dryer, cabinets above, furnace and hot water tank also in here. And at the back door, yes, they do have a coat closet. So back door leads to wherever you want to go, probably out to the yard or possibly the driveway. Just depends how you've got the home set up. Now, if we look here, let's just go around and drink in how many cabinets are in the Stratford Place. Look at this. There we go. 6 there. Going this way. 6 more. So no shortage of places to put things in this kitchen. Let's go down this way. We'll start with the main bedroom. So as I come around the corner, I think I'm going to duck into this walk-in closet first. Look at this. Look how far that goes down. Let's go all the way to the end. There's my finger for scale. Coming back around this way, we're going to go show the bedroom real quick. Got the 2 windows on the side. Got the pot lights in the ceiling. The barn door. There's the shower. There's the angled tub that threw me for an absolute loop earlier. Completely put me in a blender. Going down this way, we've got the vanity, double sinks, and the 3-unit cabinet there. Got a window out of here, which, depending on the location, may or may not need blinds or some kind of window covering. Let's go back down the other way. We'll get another look at the kitchen. We'll pass by the dining room, and I'll show you the bedrooms because I did skip over those, I know. So kitchen, through the living room. So look at the dining room, 4 windows in the dining room. There's the feature wall. And here's something I missed. We've got another coat closet by this door, which is kind of nice. So, bedroom 2. Usual bedroom 2 stuff. Across from bedroom 3. There we have it. Let's check out the closet in here, shall we? There you go. Pop outside, just so you know where the covered deck is. There you go. Here's a look at the show. This is Claytonville. Welcome. Anyone else here? Doesn't look like it. All right, I'm gonna head back in, take one last look at the living room and the kitchen, and I think it's about time I wrap this thing up. Look at that. Very nice. Whoa, I lost track of how many times I had the name of this model wrong in the video. Here's a look at the floor plan. If you need more time with it, feel free to hit the like button and then hit pause. If not, we're moving on. Well, that is it for me here at the Stratford Place. Again, 1,980 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. I don't have the pricing on this model. I am going to try and get it, and if I can find it, I will put it in the description down below. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.